Journey to the top of the world. Visiting the North Pole, whether the geographic true north or the magnetic North Pole, means venturing into the heart of a frozen Arctic wilderness. Spring offers the best conditions, with solid ice to traverse and manageable daylight and temperatures. From flights and icebreaker cruises to overland treks and extreme races, there are a variety of ways to experience this remote, otherworldly destination. This video will guide you through the exciting options for your ultimate Arctic adventure. Going by air. Book your flight to the North Pole. The fastest way to reach the North Pole is by plane, with flights primarily departing from Norway, around $10,000 to $12,000, or chartered from Canada at much higher costs. Booking requires health certification and medical evacuation insurance, with trip cancellation insurance recommended. For a cheaper option, sightseeing flights fly over the North Pole without landing, departing from Berlin for about $500. Visit Polar Explorers or Air Events for details and booking. Travel to Canada or Norway. North Pole flights depart from Longyearbyen, Norway, or via charters from Canada through Ken Borak Air. Fly to Oslo and then to Longyearbyen, or contact Ken Borak Air to arrange your Canadian departure point. Go to Barneo. From Canada or Norway, your next stop is Barneo, an ice station about 60 miles or 97 kilometers from the North Pole, where accommodations and meals are often included in North Pole visit packages. Ride a helicopter or ski the last degree. From Barneo, take a 20 to 40-minute Mi-8 helicopter ride to the North Pole, with time for photos and a champagne toast before returning. Adventurers can also ski the last degree, or travel by snowmobile or dog sled, with guided trips costing around $25,000. Athletes can join the North Pole Marathon in April, around $15,000, including flights, accommodations, and a helicopter trip. Visit Polar Explorers for itineraries, costs, and applications. Going by sea. Book an icebreaker cruise. Another way to reach the North Pole is aboard a Russian icebreaker. Trips start at around $26,000, with luxury suites costing $40,000 to $45,000. To book, visit the Adventure Life website, select the North Pole Ultimate Adventure Cruise, choose a departure date, and fill out the application. Go to Finland. Icebreaker expeditions usually depart from Helsinki, fly from major airports, or take a train from many European cities to reach the departure point. Fly to Russia. From Helsinki, take a charter flight to Murmansk, Russia, where the icebreaker departs. This flight is included in your travel package. Sail to the North Pole. Departing from Murmansk, the icebreaker takes about 5 to 8 days to reach the North Pole. The 50 Years of Victory offers luxury accommodations and amenities like a swimming pool and bar for a comfortable voyage. And going overland. Book a guide or enter a race. You can reach the North Pole overland from Russia or Canada by skiing, pulling a polk, and camping on the ice. Options include organized races like the Polar Challenge, North Pole Race, or Ice Race, around $35,000, including training, flights, gear, and insurance, to the magnetic North Pole. Private guides offer full-distance 500-mile expeditions for experienced adventurers departing in February. These extreme trips require excellent health, prior skills, and certification. Contact organizers or companies like Adventure Consultants for registration and eligibility. Fly to Russia or Canada. Races usually start from Resolute Bay, Canada, accessible via regular flights from cities like Ottawa or Montreal. Full-distance expeditions depart from Cape Arktevsky, Russia, or Ward Hunt Island, Canada, often requiring costly charter flights, though companies like Adventure Consultants can arrange transport from Resolute Bay. Ski north with an expedition team until you reach the North Pole. These trips are extremely tough, with 8 to 10 hours of skiing each day over dangerous sea ice, camping overnight in temperatures that can drop to minus 40 degrees Celsius. Depending on the route, they can last about 2 weeks, short options, around 4 weeks, race-style trips, or up to roughly 60 days for a full-distance journey. After reaching the pole, you may camp or get picked up by helicopter to Barneo Ice Station, then fly back the next day. Thanks for watching.